Hey, I'm Brett. On its own, the Weebill LAB is the perfect travel companion. It's light, it's compact, and it's capable. But when paired with the ZY Play app, things get kicked up a notch. In this video, we're going to take a quick look at the ZY Play app's biggest features. Special thanks to Zhiyun for sponsoring this video. The ZY Play app serves as the starting point for your Weebill LAB. It's where you'll get the latest firmware, where you'll calibrate your gimbal, but it also takes the whole shooting experience to another level. Let's take a look. There are two ways to connect to your Weebill. Connecting with just Bluetooth gives you basic controls of your Weebill, like movement and changing modes. Now, connecting via Wi-Fi unlocks some insanely cool features. And it's all packed into this newly designed interface. The icons on the screen are intuitively grouped together to make controls and adjustments really easy. What you're looking at isn't just a newly designed interface, this is the ZHIYUN-TECH system. Using ZHIYUN-TECH, you can control all of your most important camera settings and gimbal settings right from your phone. Using it is really easy. Just tap a desired icon, make your adjustment, and that's it. The camera, gimbal, and app are all updated in real time to reflect the changes that you've made. With ZHIYUN-TECH, you can change things like aperture, white balance, the shooting mode of your gimbal, and a whole lot more. ZHIYUN-TECH is a great way to make changes in the middle of filming without touching your camera and risking bumpy footage. And if you own the Creator or Master package, you can use the included focus motor in the app to control zoom and focus for any lens that you want. And not only can you control all of these settings using ZHIYUN-TECH, you can also monitor all of these changes and monitor your footage using image transmission, a groundbreaking feature for the Weebill LAB. Not only can you use it to externally monitor your footage, but it can essentially change how you use a gimbal. Whether you have your camera aimed behind you for smooth following shots, because walking backwards is really hard, or your camera is down low to the ground for some incredible perspective shots, image transmission allows you to keep an eye on where you're shooting and what you're shooting. If you need help setting up image transmission, check out this video I made on it. Beyond ZHIYUN-TECH and image transmission, there are a whole ton of advanced features found inside of the ZY Play app. You can set up various grids for composing shots, custom profiles for fine-tuning your gimbal controls, which is great if you want to slow things down a little bit. You can use Smart Follow to track a subject or film yourself. And there is a ton more. So that's your quick overview of the ZY Play app. In a future video, we're going to dive in depth with the app and go over every detail that we can. So subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. Oh, and thumbs up down below if you liked the video. But that's it for me today, so until the next one, I'll see ya.